Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Even in compact areas, you can create a charming Mediterranean farmhouse garden that feels timeless, soulful, and full of life. By using thoughtful design techniques and easy-care Mediterranean elements, your yard, patio, or balcony can become a warm retreat that reflects the peaceful rhythm of nature. Now, let's explore the best DIY Mediterranean farmhouse garden ideas to bring your dream escape to life. Blending nature with rustic simplicity. Use reclaimed wood, aged stone, and terracotta pots to create a rustic look that feels warm and lived in. These materials age beautifully, adding personality and an earthy charm to your outdoor space. Add native herbs like rosemary, thyme, and lavender in informal rows or raised beds. Their scent, color, and texture evoke Mediterranean tradition while attracting butterflies and bees. Mix in olive trees or potted citrus to bring authenticity and shade. These iconic plants provide structure and give your garden a true Mediterranean soul. Designing a cozy, relaxing escape. Place a weathered bench under a tree or near a stone wall for a quiet retreat. Surround it with flowering plants to make the seating area feel like a hidden sanctuary. Use soft throws and outdoor cushions in muted tones like terracotta, ochre, and sage green. These earthy hues reflect the Mediterranean palette and enhance the inviting feel. Hang lightweight linen curtains on a pergola or trellis for a breezy, romantic touch. They flutter in the wind and filter sunlight, making your garden feel like a poetic escape. Creating texture and contrast with Mediterranean plants. Pair spiky agaves with delicate flowers like geraniums or daisies for visual contrast. This blend adds drama and softness while maintaining the rustic Mediterranean vibe. Layer silvery green foliage like sage and lamb's ear with bold succulents. The difference in texture creates visual depth and mimics natural Mediterranean hillsides. Incorporate climbing vines such as grape or jasmine along walls or pergolas. They offer vertical interest, fragrance, and that timeless, sun-drenched feeling. Enhancing the farmhouse feel with handmade details. Use hand-painted tiles or mosaic accents on garden steps or around planters. These artisanal touches bring color and cultural richness to your garden's character. Repurpose old watering cans, wooden crates, or ceramic jugs as unique planters. Each item tells a story and enhances the authentic farmhouse personality. Display baskets with dried lavender, lemons, or garden tools as seasonal decor. These natural elements make the space feel personal, warm, and effortlessly beautiful. Framing pathways with stone and greenery. Line your garden paths with irregular stones or gravel framed by low-growing herbs. This creates a charming old-world look while releasing fragrant aromas as you walk. Add stone borders or edging using reclaimed materials from the area. This grounds your garden in the local landscape and gives it a historical touch. Plant creeping thyme or chamomile between stepping stones for a soft, walkable surface. These plants thrive in sunlight and fill your path with both beauty and scent. We hope you're feeling inspired to start creating your own Mediterranean farmhouse garden, one that brings you peace, warmth, and a deep connection to nature. Even the smallest outdoor space can become a soulful retreat when designed with love and intention. If this garden made you dream, just wait until you see what comes next. We're taking you to a hidden courtyard so full of charm and emotion, it feels like stepping into another world. Click now. You've never seen a space like this before.